Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a character in Mortal Kombat 1 using an easy method. First, select a character from the diverse roster that appeals to your preferred fighting style. Then, familiarize yourself with fundamental movements such as walking, dashing, and jumping. Focus on mastering basic attacks like punches and kicks to build a solid foundation for combat. Next, focus on executing your character's special moves. These often involve simple directional inputs combined with an attack button. Once comfortable, try linking a few basic attacks into a special move to create short, effective combos. The training mode is your best friend for practicing these sequences until they become second nature. Defense is crucial for easy wins. Practice blocking incoming attacks by holding back or down back on your controller. After blocking, look for opportunities to counterattack your opponent. Also, take time to understand your chosen character's unique strengths and weaknesses, which will help you develop a more effective strategy in matches. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Dedicate about 15 minutes each day to training mode, focusing on specific moves or combos. Then, challenge AI opponents on an easy difficulty setting to apply what you've learned in a match environment. Watching gameplay videos can also provide valuable insights and new tactics to try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.